Hey everyone, welcome back. I had a lot of positive feedback on the tips that we gave out yesterday, so I wanted to think of some more stuff I could give out. So here are 3 ways to capture your lectures and share them out. So let's go ahead and dive on into the presentation. Come on. All right, so here we are. First and foremost, what we are all very maybe familiar with is the traditional voice-over PowerPoint, so the voice of God. And so this would be the quickest, easiest, fastest way if you already have PowerPoint slides created and developed to just record your voice over top of them. You can do this in PowerPoint or what I'm using here, Keynote. And so both of those programs have great recording features built into them where you can record your voice, save the presentation as a video file, and then you can take that video file and get it up to YouTube or media site and share it with your students that way. Let's take a look at the next one. Zoom recordings, which is what we have going on here. So with Zoom, we have the feature of being able to add our webcam to the PowerPoint presentation and record it. So now our students can connect with us, they can see us. They now no longer have that voice of God feeling, but they're actually able to see you as the instructor kind of interacting, being passionate and sharing content through them in a little bit more of an engaging way. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but believe me, when you ask your students, they really appreciate being able to see you on camera. If not at least a little bit at the beginning and end of the class. So something to think about. You can then save this to the Zoom cloud and then share that link with your students very easily because it's already recorded to the cloud for you. So that's your second option, Zoom. Third and finally, if you have a large display set up in your living room like I do and you're quarantined with no other resources, you can do a mobile recording. So I'm doing this on my iPhone right now, sharing my slides on my display. I can now kind of point things out, interact with my students visually, so now they have kind of both the presentation and me all in one package. So this is a great fun way that you can think differently about sharing your presentations with your students. Hopefully this helps. Again, I know it's a lot. These are just little things that maybe help you think a little differently about how you can capture your content, share it out there. So remember, latest up to date at keepteaching.osu.edu. Be sure to comment, let me know what else I could share with you to help get you through this. Keep teaching, everyone.